You're not late, but you're not early. The window to learn AI before it learns you is closing. And that's cool, but those people are going to be left behind. Their kids are going to be left behind. And people around them are going to be left behind. Switch your brain. I know it's hard. I know nobody told you. I know, you know, nobody didn't prepare you. What's going on, y'all? It's Nas tapping in, man. And I'm here to come to y'all just more serious, especially with, a bunch of things happening in our city, right? With being somebody from our city that has been, born and raised and, seeing the programs that tried to come, seeing the things that failed. I think one thing that I don't see is there is nobody preparing young students, teachers, parents for this AI wave in this city, right? Now, if you know, please tag them under this post. Let them know that I'm calling them out. Nasir from InnerG Intel is calling them out. So that way we can push these, programs more. Because many of you don't know that, this technology and AI wave is not slowing down. It's not stopping. And many of you were not prepared for it. So I see a lot of people that they're not even thinking about learning it. They're not even trying to learn it. They just like, hey, it's out of my range, right? And that's cool. But those people are going to be left behind. Their kids are going to be left behind. And people around them are going to be left behind. You have to switch your brain. I know it's hard. I know nobody told you. I know, nobody didn't prepare you. You have to do it if you want to excel into this future. I am hosting a program from May 4th into damn near September. So that's basically the summer where I'm providing resources, information, and knowledge, hands-on training to learn these tools, the agents, how to use them, how you can use them in your life specifically too. And just overall having a well-versed knowledge of this stuff. A lot of people got to pay thousands and thousands of dollars to go to universities or these specialized programs to get certificate. Many of you pay for it on a weekly, daily, clothes, going out. So invest in your future or your child's future or your brother's future or your uncle or somebody that just came home. Like, invest in their future today so you are saved tomorrow. I know a lot of you people that lost their job to AI. If not, it's coming. I know a lot of you, may be in jobs or places that use AI and you may be uncomfortable or don't know how to do it. It's for you. So, again, if you know other programs, tag them below. And if you don't, share this video so I can and my program can get out there. I'm looking for schools, teachers, administrators to get into these schools to teach this stuff. So I'm offering a 45-minute free session to any school program that wants this. Again, reach out to me if you are an administrator, a teacher, and I am offering a 45-minute free session to come to your school or program to teach my curriculum. Okay? My name is Nas. I'm a graphic designer. I'm a leader. I am just a well-versed creative. So if you guys have any questions, feel free to comment below, reach out to me. All this information will be on the page that I'll tag below. So everything, all the information, the sign-up sheet or the sign-up link will be on this page that I will tag below. So I would suggest or encourage you guys to figure out first, what could you use an agent or AI tool as this capacity for? Whether you're a business owner and need things automated, whether you just want to build a tool for yourself to help you out, think about that first, and then that'll help you talk to the agent when you want to build.